High-quality pictures of the stylish and sophisticated foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, have been released. Each of the phone's three striking colors, jet black, silver shadow, and blue shadow, has a unique glossy texture and appeal. Given that it has a 4400 mAh battery, the phone's profile is very tiny and its design is thinner than before. According to the photographs released by Evan Blast, the Fold series is known for its triple back camera configuration, improved hinge design, and a little wrinkle on the inner screen. An 8.22-inch main, a mold inner display, and a 6.5-inch cover screen with a clean 120Hz refresh rate are anticipated features of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Other hues like silver shadow, pink, black, white, or green mint or navy are probably available. With Samsung's One UI 8 skin and Android 16 pre-installed, the gadget will provide additional customization options, new features, and maybe even improved AI. With an armored aluminum frame and an IP48 rating for protection to dust and water, it is made to endure. When unfurled, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 measures 158.4 x 143.1 x 4.5 mm, making it even more pocket-friendly and portable than other foldables. However, some users may find it harder to hold due to the larger screen. The experience still includes stylus functionality, and it is still unknown whether a new S Pen Fold edition will be released concurrently with the phone. Users are also looking for an update in terms of price. For a phone in this price range, the present 5-watt fast charging is inadequate, particularly since rivals have far quicker choices. It's unclear whether Samsung will choose to make this better. Now, all eyes will be on Samsung for the formal unveiling of the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and other Galaxy products on July 9 at their Unpacked event. Excitement is already high due to rumors like these, and if these images are accurate, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be Samsung's finest foldable phone to yet. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.